class today we will complete the exercise 60. Okay, look at the question number 7. We have to find the value. First, remember the identities I told you earlier in the yesterday's video. We have to use those value and find the value of a is 82 square minus 18 square. Now I told you the 3 identities. What were those identities? Those identities were a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square. These were the 3 identities we have discussed earlier. Now look here, it is 82 square minus 18 square. Isn't it like a square minus b square? उसी की तरह है ये. So we will use this identity in the question. Now revise the identity. The identity is a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. Now if you see, look carefully here, this can be a. This is our a and this is b. So we have 82 square minus 18 square. A plus b. A is 82 and b is 18. A is 82 minus 18. Solve it. 8 and 2, 0, 100. Here we got 82 में से 18 माइनस करेंगे तो कितना बचेगा 64. Now these both are the bracket and in brackets के बीच में कोई sign नहीं है. That means they are in multiplication. Now multiply. See how easily you have done the question. Otherwise you have to do the first square of it, and then you have to subtract. In this method you can do it very easily. Now look at the part number 3rd part. 197 into this. See student, you can write it as 200 minus 3, right? और इसे हम लिख सकते हैं 200 plus 3, right? Now this is a plus b. Isn't it like a minus b and a plus b, right? और इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं a square minus b square. So we can write it as a square minus b square. Square of 200, it will be 4000 minus 9. Solve it. Let's do the subtraction. It is 39991. This is the answer. Next question, 4th. 198 into 198 minus 102 into 102 upon 96. We have to find the value. Now see, you can write this 198 as a square. 102 into 102, that is square of 102 upon 96. Isn't it like a square minus b square? A square minus b square है ना ये? So we can write it as a plus b and a minus b. So we can write here a plus b, a minus b. Upon we have 96. Now 198 plus 102 will be 300. It is 300 into 96 upon 96. See, is up 96 ones are 96, 96 ones are 96. So the answer is 300. This is very easy way of solving the questions. Now look at the 5th part. 5th part is 14.7 into 15.3. How can you solve this? Now student, you can write it as 14.7 को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 15 माइनस 0.3, राइट। और 15.3 को हम लिख सकते हैं 15 प्लस 3, सॉरी प्लस 0.3, राइट। सो राइट हेयर 15 minus 0.3 into 15 plus 0.3. It is a plus b, a minus b, right? So we can write it as in the form, this is a minus b into a plus b, and इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते थे, a square minus b square. So we will write it as a square minus b square. Square of 15 will be 225 minus 0.09, and when you do the subtraction, the answer will be 224.91. Okay, now move on to the question number 8. Just use the property you have studied. Find the value of expression an expression is 9x square plus 24x plus 16 when x equals to 12. Now look at the expression. This is the square of 3x, okay, and this is the square of 4, and here this term is 2 into 3x into 4. See, 2 3s are 6, 6 into 2 4, 24, 24x. So isn't it like 3x plus 4 ka whole square, right? It is. Now put the value of x. The value of x is 12. 36 plus 4. It is 40 square. Now 40 ka square will be 40 into 40. 0 0 4 4 is 16. This is the answer. Now move on to the question number 9. Sorry, 10. Similar question it is. We have to find the value of expression. The expression is, question is find the value of this is the expression, and it is given when x equals to 2 upon 3 and y equals to 1 upon 5. Now see, write the expression here first. Expression is this: 36x square plus 25y square minus 60xy. Now if you look here, 36 is the square of 6 and 36x square, that means 6x ka square. Here 25y square, 25 5 का स्क्वायर है, y इसका स्क्वायर हो गया. नाउ दिस इज 2 into 6x into 5y. ओके, इजंट इट लाइक 6. अब इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 6x माइनस 5y का होल स्क्वायर. माइनस का साइन था. दिस इज a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर माइनस 2a इंटू b. यही तो हो गया. This equation, this identity is used here. Now see, if this is a square and this is b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, इस प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करेंगे, then it will be a minus b का whole square. a is 6x, b is 5y square. Put the value of x. Now x की वैल्यू कितनी थी? 2 upon 3. 5 y की वैल्यू है 1 upon 5. 3 2 ज़ा 2 2 ज़ा 4 1 5 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा 25. दिस इज द आंसर. Now move on to the question number 12. If x minus 1 upon x equals to 5, find the value of first x square plus 1 upon x square and second part we will see. Now first we have to find the value of x square plus 2x square, right? Now here we have x 1 upon x, इसका स्क्वायर करते हैं. So we have to do the square of this 5 also. We have done the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now this is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab equals to 25. This is x square plus 1 upon x square. X kata, it will be minus 2. Here we have 25. Now see what you have to find. You have to find the value of this part, x square plus 1 upon x square. So हम 2 को उधर भेजेंगे तो it will be plus 2. Now the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, it is 27. This is the answer. Isn't it easy? Yes. Now see the next part of this question. The next part is value of x4 plus 1 upon x की power 4. You have to find the value of this. Now what we have only this x minus 1 upon x. We have only this. So what you will do, see in the previous part, in the first part, you know x square plus 1 upon x square is 27. ये first part में हम find out कर चुके हैं. Now do the square of this, x square plus 1 upon x square का square करेंगे. Now 27 का square, it will a plus b whole square. A square, a का square plus b का square plus 2 into a into b equals to 27 का square. Now see x square से x square cancel. This is x की power 4 plus 1 upon x की power 4 plus 2. 27 का square कितना होगा? 729. We have to find only this value. So we will send this on the other side. When you send this, we have x4 plus 1 upon x की power 4 equals to 729 minus 2, and it will be 727. This is the answer. Right? Now move on to the question number 13. We have to find the continued product. We are looking at the part 4. 2p plus 3, 2p minus 3, 4p square plus 9. Now see, दिस इज a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, राइट. एंड दिस हेयर 2p का स्क्वायर है, ये 2p का स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर, राइट. इसको लिख सकते हैं ऐसे. नाउ अगेन सी, दिस होल टर्म इज नाउ a and this whole term is now b. a minus b, a plus b. This is a minus b and a plus b. Again we can write a minus b plus b को हम लिख सकते हैं a square minus b square. Now what is a? a is 2p square. इसका भी स्क्वायर कर देते हैं. माइनस b हमारा 3 स्क्वायर था, इसका भी स्क्वायर. नाउ सॉल्व इट. व्हेनेवर द देयर इज द पावर ऑफ ब्रैकेट, पावर ऑफ पावर, so the powers get add up. 2 plus 4, 2. Here 3, 2 plus 2. It will be 2p 4 plus 3 की power 4. Sorry, this is the minus sign here. Okay. Now solve it further. 2p, when you multiply 2p 4 times, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 16 p की power 4 minus 81. This is the answer. And your chapter is complete. 6th chapter is now complete. We will do the next chapter from the next video. Now do all the question of exercise 60 and ask me if you are having any problem in any question.